Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is, as per my reading here, also in a wave 2 correction. You know about that. We've been talking about that for a while. In this wave 2, we talk about a WXY correction, and in the Y wave here, we're talking about an ABC correction in which the B wave formed a triangle. And after the triangle peaked here in the B wave, which was on the 5th of May, at the high of 1754. After it peaked there, it started a decline in an impulse. Okay, so I'm looking currently at the idea that this was wave 1, this was wave 2, a wave 3 down, a wave 4, and we could be already in the last wave down. Now, what I cannot rule out, I mean, we're currently holding the golden ratio, yeah, the 1486 level, the 61.8 level. You can see how relevant that is because we're exactly at that level now. I cannot rule out that this here was actually not a triangle, but just a normal ABC pattern, yeah, that the B wave actually was sitting here, that this is a running flat and an ABC. What would that mean? That would mean the wave 1 would actually sit here, yeah, like that. There was a wave 2 here, and then we're only in the subdivisions. And no, 1 second, I would actually need to, let me just change that. Okay, and I have to add another layer of waves. No, it would mean that this was a wave 1. This was a wave 2. All of this here currently is a third wave. There will be a fourth and a fifth. Just be aware of that. I find that not unlikely, okay, that basically what we've done here most recently was just an extension of a third wave. Likely, in my opinion, okay. I cannot rule out that. So either it's nearly done, this move down, or we get another 4 and a 5. Wouldn't be a problem. Price would just move a bit lower and ideally can still hold the 12.99 level. It's important to hold that 12.99 level. That's a 78.6 retracement. Again, any sustained drop below that level is basically too much for a reliable wave 4, and we would have to assume that the entire setup, which could lead to a third wave rally, is not going to happen. It can still happen, but again, reality is that in 9 of 10 cases, when price breaks below the 78.6 retracement, it's not going to work out. So yeah, these are the scenarios. Again, I think it is not too unlikely to expect another bounce before one more low, because that's what many other altcoins are doing as well. It's just that here on this chart, I have a pretty clear triangle, but it doesn't need to be a triangle. Yeah, this is one of the situations where the B wave could be either a triangle, or you can actually count it as just an ABC running flat, where the C wave is short, and then the B wave would sit here. Would sit here or here as a triangle. Yeah, it's sort of that situation where both are actually possible, which doesn't make it easier. I personally think it reads better as a triangle, but then again, it's both is possible, okay? And that just has an impact on downside targets a little bit. We already looked in previous videos at the ideal target here for the C wave. How did we do that? Well, you know, we took the length of the A wave, and then we went and measured against the high of the B wave. And then what we do basically, what we got that sort of 1250 level just below 1299. It depends also a little bit on where do I actually see the A wave, but it doesn't change the target massively. Sort of just below the 78.6 fib level is an ideal target, the 1-to-1 ratio. Again, I often say that yes, the 1299 level there is important, and we talk about a sustained break. If we just get a wick below it, not a problem, okay? It's not an invalidation point, but it's a level where probability is shift. Yeah, but so at the moment, still exploring a possible bullish option here. It's actually holding quite well compared to some other coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they are dropping quite a lot at the moment. Matic dropping quite a lot. There's quite a few coins that are dropping quite a lot, but AVAX is actually holding so far quite well. Yeah, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.